Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been super busy lately, so I haven't had a chance to really film it all, but I am back today because I'm going to be filming my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of July. And I know I'm super late for the July Boxycharm unboxing, but not only was I super busy, but I also had a lot of issues with shipping for this month because I was moving, and I just got my Boxycharm, so I wanted to sit down and still unbox it and try on everything for you guys. Even though you can't get this particular box anymore, you can still see these products and see what Boxycharm is like still if you're considering purchasing Boxycharm. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the Boxycharm unboxing. So the theme for this month is Boxycharm au naturel. I was really super excited about this theme, and I've been waiting. I haven't tried any of these products yet. I want to try them all on camera. So let's just go ahead and start with the first thing. So the first thing is this Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. And I've been seeing this everywhere, and I'm so excited to try this. It's supposed to brighten and hydrate your skin. So I've been super excited about this. I'm going to go ahead and put my hair up. So this is a full-size product right here, and this one retails for $35. And if you guys don't know, the Boxycharm subscription is $21 a month. So this one product right here is more than the cost of the entire box. So it's really such a great deal. And I'm going to go ahead and skip ahead a little bit because we got a brush set. So this right here is the Gaia brush set from Luxie. It's a 3-piece brush set, and I've gotten Luxie brushes a few times in my Boxycharms, and I absolutely love them. This set retails for $30. So this comes with a large eye blending brush, a precise crease brush, and then a foundation brush. And I like to apply my foundation with beauty blenders. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this brush to apply the face mask. Okay, so this mask says to leave it on for 10 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and let this sit and then wash it off, and I'll be right back to continue with the unboxing. Alright, so I am back and I'm feeling super relaxed. This mask smells so good and so relaxing. It feels like you're at a spa. I loved having this mask on, and my skin feels so soft and moisturized, and it honestly does look more radiant, so that's awesome. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue on with the makeup. I'm gonna do what I normally do, which is start with brows and apply some primer, and I will be right back for the next item in the Boxycharm. Okay, so the next item in the box was the thing that I was most excited about when I saw these sneak peeks, and it is the Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. And let me tell you, this palette is gorgeous. I mean, it is so beautiful. All natural shades. I've been feeling this green shade ever since I saw it on Boxycharm's Instagram. Gorgeous. So let's just go ahead and come up with a little eye look here. The only thing is that there's not really a nude matte shade. There's two mattes in this palette. There's the dark brown and then the blue. So I'm just going to go ahead and, let's see. I'm going to take the Pure Festival palette because that's the one that I got. I think that's the palette I got most recently. I'm just going to take this shade right here. This is called Epic. I'm just going to use that as a transition shade, just kind of right in the crease. That way we can create kind of a base to blend the other shadows on top of. So now I'm going to dip into the Butter London palette. The packaging even is just so gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Temptress, and I'm going to place that on the outer corners of my eyes. I really don't like wearing my hair up. I used to wear it up every single day, and that kind of made me hate wearing it up. So now it's rare for me to wear my hair up. Oh, I'm just blending this out with the Luxie 250 blending brush. There's no product on it. I'm just taking it to kind of blend out the edges and stuff. So now I'm going to take a little bit of concealer on the Precision Crease Brush. I'm using the Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer in the shade Fair Light Neutral. And I'm just going to do a little bit of a cut crease to kind of create a base for our green shadow. I love this brown shade. It feels very natural, which is how the whole box is supposed to feel. So I'm taking the green shade Star and just placing that right on the eyelid. I don't wear green very often, so I was excited about this. And this one's a pretty neutral green, so it's not like too crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna take the same Luxie 250 large blending. I'm gonna dip into the shade Diva, which is this shimmery light brown, and I'm just gonna kind of place that in the center and use that to blend a little bit. Yeah, I like that. And I'm gonna take the Kathleen Lights Dream Street palette, just because it's what I have here closest to me, and take this lighter shade in here. You can grab any light shade. I'm just taking it on the large blending brush and just kind of blending up at the very top so there's not a harsh line, just kind of blending that out. Okay. Oh, I forgot to say, this palette's working really well. The matte is a little bit patchy. I tried the matte brown but not the matte blue, but the shimmers are gorgeous and they worked well on both my finger and with the brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop a little bit more green on. And I forgot to say that this palette retails for $32. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and take my Smashbox Always On liquid eyeliner and do a winged liner, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do all my face makeup, and I will be back to finish off the eyes and the rest of the box. Alright guys, so I am back and ready to move on with the rest of the box. So I'm going to go ahead and move to the next item, which is the Appeal Gel Liner. This one retails for $21, and it looks like you can use this for your eyes or your lips. I got the shade Forest Green, which is going to go well with this eye look. I'm just going to go ahead and place this one right in my waterline. Oh my gosh, the color payoff is amazing. Gorgeous liner, works super well. And when they include items like that in the box, they do have different colors that they send out, so the color you get will be random. Because I've seen people with a nude color and with this green color, so. Now I'm going to take the shade Diva in the Butter London palette, and just on a little pencil brush, I'm going to go ahead and brush that underneath my lower lash line. And I'm going to go back into the Kathleen Lights Dream Street palette and do the same thing but with this light shade that I used before, because I want to kind of tie in the colors that are in the crease. So now I'm going to do some mascara. I'm taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just applying that. I'm really liking how this look is turning out. I've really liked everything in this box so far. I'm going to go with a light nude color for the lips. So I'm going to take my Smashbox Always Sharp Lip Liner in the shade Nude Fair. And I'm going to take my Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Fair Game. And I'm going to go ahead and apply those, and then I'll be right back to finish off the Boxycharm unboxing. The last thing in the box is the Alamar Cosmetics Desnudas Lip Gloss, and I have the shade Dulce. This says that it is a long-lasting thickening formula that conditions lips while delivering high shine and full pigmentation. And I'm just going to go ahead and top that over the lipstick that I've already put on, and this one retails for $15. And I just have to say, when I take this off, you can see like how much product is on the stick, which I don't think is supposed to happen. That's never happened to me with lip gloss before. That there. I don't know why that's happening. I don't know if it's like from the heat where I was sitting in the mailbox or what, but that's such a weird thing that I've never seen before, and it feels very messy. It's a pretty color. It's very thick, which is what it said. I don't know how I feel about that one. I like the color, but it's just so thick and sticky that it's just too sticky for me and too thick for me. And I don't know why my packaging was doing that. Let me know if that happened to you guys or if you've ever seen that happen before. Like when I open up the Dominique Cosmetics one, the stick is all clean. And any other lip glosses I have, like these Los Angeles ones from Smashbox, have the same thing. So I don't know what was happening with that lip gloss. But overall, I really loved this month's Boxycharm. You know, it is a subscription, so you're obviously not going to love every product in every box, but you do get 5 full-size products in each box. And I mean, the value of the products that I did like is more than the box itself, so that to me makes it worth it. And if we go ahead and add up everything in the box, it's a total value of $133 for that box, and the box itself cost $21, so a great value, definitely worth it. I love Boxycharm so much. I get so excited to get my Boxycharm in the mail every month. So I do have a reference code if you guys would like to sign up for Boxycharm. I will leave that in the description box below. You can just click that and check out Boxycharm. And then really quick before I end this video, I just wanted to share some exciting news. So I've teamed up with Lively to give you guys a really exciting giveaway. So they gave me one of their mesh trim bralettes with this gorgeous print in the size medium to give away to one of you guys. So if you guys are interested in winning this Lively giveaway, then you can head over to my Instagram for more details. Alright, so that is all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. So the next item is the box. It is the box. So now I'm gonna do So now I'm gonna do some mascara. I'm taking the Too Faced Better. So now, yep. I'm gonna drop everything, and I'm gonna go ahead.